How to solder and quickly connect COB LED strip. Part 1. How to solder COB LED strip. Cut the strip at the cutting line. Solder tin onto the copper plate solder joints. Our rgbcct COB strip has 2 solder pads on the back. Remove the sticky backing to solder tin on these 2 pads. How the light strip looks after soldering tin. Prepare a 6-core wire. The exposed 6-pin wire cores require pre-tinning with solder. This step was skipped. Ensure the soldering iron tip, wire core, and solder joint are all tinned. Align the wire's exposed cores with the pads. Weld each colored wire to its matching color channel on the strip. The solder pad for the blue channel is on the back, so I solder the red wire first. The solder pads are marked with the first letter of their corresponding colors. Soldering green light channel. Daylight white channel. Don't forget the 2 pads on the back. The key to success is ensuring the soldering iron tip, solder pad, and wire are all tinned and melted together at high temperature. Slide on the heat shrink tubing. Heat the heat shrink tubing to make it shrink tightly. Done. Testing. Part 2. How to connect COB LED strip with COB connectors. 1. Board-to-board connection. Use scissors to cut along lines. Insert the strip to board-to-board connector. Make sure each bump on the connector aligns with the oval pin marks on the strip. Use pliers to press down the metal bumps. Done. 2. Board-to-wire connection. Cut the strip along the lines. Insert the strip to connector. Ensure that each bump on the connector is aligned with the oval pin. Insert wires to connectors. Use pliers to press the metal bumps to pierce the wire jackets. Done.